Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to strike through your text in Microsoft Word. So get it started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, then I show the Word document file is the text. Now your text is strike through in this video. Now going to the Microsoft Word. Now select from the any text. Now going to the home menu option. Now click on the Strikethrough option. That's it. Then again another text select. Now click on the Strikethrough option. That's it. Then again another text from the same process is Strikethrough. Now for click. That's it. Then I show the strike through your text in Microsoft Word is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.